Hi, my beautiful people. Today I'm going to be sharing this yummy egg sauce with you guys. Just put my pan on my stove, add a little bit of sunflower oil, heat it up a little bit, pour in my sliced onions, garlic and ginger paste. I'm going to stir this together and fry it for a couple of seconds. Now pour in my sliced spring onions, tomatoes, little bit of celery and pepper. Give it a good stir. Add my carrots. Stir it together. Cooking this in a very high heat. Pour in sliced bell peppers. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Added one stock cube, curry powder and salt. This is a very easy dish. Very easy and so yummy. Give it a very good mix. And this is the eggs I'm using. I'm going to beat the egg, then I just pour it in. Then let it cook together for 5 minutes thereabout. Then yeah, my breakfast is ready. So give it this time I reduce my heat. Just give it a stir and put the lid on. I'm going to let it cook together. Then yeah, voila. Here we say ete is klar. Food is ready. And I hope I make it as easy as possible for you guys. This is so yummy. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.